Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Without wasting your time, I start my video. Here you can see guys, 100 of new haircuts, 100 of new hairstyles, 100 of new hair dye color ideas for beautiful and gorgeous ladies. Friends, as you are watching all the short haircuts, short hairstyles and short hair color ideas are superb, amazing, as well as easy to cut. So guys, please watch my video till the end so you can see every and each latest and trendy short haircut, short hairstyles and short hair dye color ideas. So guys, in my video you can know about the latest trends of short haircuts, short hairstyles and hair dye color ideas only in my one video, in my one channel. Guys, please do support me by sharing my video with all your friends and family group. I'm sure when they watch my video, they will also like and enjoy my video. My video will be very helpful and useful for them too. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more beautiful, more interesting and lovable videos. Hit the like button. I'm sure you like my video, and click the bell icon so you can get the notification of all of my videos. Dear friends, in my video you can see short haircuts for round face, oval face, square face, or jawline face, chubby face, and for almost all the types of faces. You can see the short haircut for teenager girls, 30 plus women, 40 plus women, 50 plus women, 60 plus women, and for older women also. You can take a lot of ideas of which type of haircut is suitable for you. Guys, in nowadays when everyone is busy and no one has enough time for searching and selecting the best haircut for themselves, you can only watch my videos. You can follow my channel and select best haircut, hairstyle and hair dye color ideas for your family. These all hairstyles are super beautiful and very amazing, and they look very gorgeous and stunning in almost all the events. Guys, I always try to bring something very special and something very beautiful for you. So please give your precious feedback in comment section. Give me your suggestions, your opinions, your advices, so I can improve my work and I can bring in for you more beautiful and stylish short haircuts. I promise you I will fulfill your ideas, and I once again request you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to tell me which type of haircut you love or which type of haircuts you want to see in my channel. My video will be very useful for the fashion lovers who always want to look beautiful and elegant even in short hairs and short hairstyles. Moreover, short hairs look very beautiful and gorgeous. Take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye till the next amazing video.